Sup guys, you are welcome back to this channel again. This is a video on how to calculate your delay. How to calculate any delay, whether ping pong delay or mono delay or H delay or mono delay or ping pong delay. But with this video, I am going to use this particular delay called H delay, and I would use also ping pong delay also. So let's say, for example, we have our delay like this. Let me add it as an fx. Delay, H delay. Okay. Good. Let's say we have our H delay like this. Very nice. H delay, we have it like this. And we want to add some delay to what? To our mix or our what? Our vocals. Yeah. So with this one, let me remove this delay. This is the H delay. Now, how do we calculate to get the perfect delay? Before we got into the calculation, I want to put the delay on the vocals so that you will know how the default one is sounding, and after H we will know how it's going to what it's going to sound after our calculation. So with this one, I will not touch any part. I will not touch the BPM or the host or the milliseconds. I will not touch anything here. So let's just bring our delay inside our mix and let's see on the vocals. Okay, so let's listen to the vocals.
Family no be the name. Only you me I want, baby girl. Only you me I need it. Only you me I fall for you.
Just follow the lead vocal. You will see that.
Only you me I want.
Good. You see that the delay is going off. The delay is going off. It's overlapping our time, and it shouldn't be like that. The delay have to what? Have to fix the timing. Yeah, it have to fix what? The timing. So now, how do we get the right numbers to use it in our H delay or as in our delay? Now, we are going to calculate it. We are going to divide our tempo by 60,000 once again. So 60,000 divided by our tempo, which is 100. We have our 600 here. Very good. So now, with the H delay, what you are going to do is to click here where it says the MS, which means milliseconds. Then you double click here, you type your delay in there. I had 600. 600 like this. Very good. So you see, when I type in the delay, it has show us here. So now let's play and see if still our delay is going to go off or is going to follow the lead vocals.
Baby girl, come and listen to my brand new song. Only you me I feel it. Only you me I feel it. Look at the jiggle my bueno. Baby girl, you go na my sueno. Ako ya go na my tree. Look at the jiggle my bueno. Baby girl.
Good. So you see now our delay is what? Is following what? Our timing, and it's not going off. So now let's use the mono delay also, or the ping pong delay for what? Let's use the ping pong delay, and let's know how we are going to calculate what our ping pong delay to. So we will add the ping pong delay as our effect like this. Then we add it, very nice, like this. So what we are going to do is for the ping pong delay, you can use two methods. Yeah. The first method is the same thing as how we did for the H delay. We just calculate the tempo by 60,000, which will give you 600. And you click here and you put it here, 600. Very nice, like this. So now let's put the delay on our lead vocals and let's see how it's going to sound for us. Yeah.
Baby girl, you grown up my swell. You grown up my plane. You know, say money no be problem. Everything you want, just put a pay for me. I set the money for your love.
So you see, very nice and good. Now, the second method for the ping pong delay, or to use the ping pong delay as your right calculation, is like this. When you open it, it's like this. If you don't know about calculation, or you don't want to waste your time and doing calculation and those ones, because there are some people that are very lazy when it comes to mathematics or saying calculation of something. No wonder even when they buy something from the store, they refuse to count their balance, if it is up to or not. Yeah. So the second one is to come here. You click here and you select 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4 or 1 over 4. With this one, it's going to follow the vocal, the lead vocals, exactly in a perfect way, without what? Having interaction. It is just going to follow just like how we did the calculation by dividing our tempo by what? Dividing our tempo by what? With 60,000. Yeah, which gave us 600. With this one, it's going to just follow like that. So now let's play the vocal and let's see.
You know, say money no be problem. Everything you want, just put a pay for me. I set the money for your love. And I dream me new I dey craze for your love.
You see, very nice and powerful and super great. And with this same ping pong delay, you can decide to even pan the delay to hear it more on your right side or the left side. So you can see here automatically it was what? It showed us that it's panning to what? To our left side, which is the front of the vocal, or you can leave it what? You can let the delay follow your vocal backwards. So depending on you, that are the tricks in what? In our delay. So this is how it is being done. Thank you. Stay blessed.